Hello everyone, it's Girijatmak Behra. So today I am going to talk about on which like very few people talk about. Like everybody wants to see the launch, but nobody wants to see like what happens before the launch. So I am going to talk about the documentation, the research, the field experiments, and approaching the customers and people like in the initial days. Since I'm in the initial days, and as you can see that I'm in my office. So yeah, so let's talk about the research. So doing research like a surface level, you can use AI, you can use tools, you can go through newspapers and articles and do surface level research. But when it comes to deep research, you need specialized tools with subscription plans. So yeah, you definitely need a team, but I believe that as a founder you should start doing research initially by yourself to know about the market better. Then comes document everything, like starting from data to what feedback and testimonials you get. Document everything, and then comes approaching the customers. Oof, can't explain. Like even your target customers, like if they don't have trust in you, they also be not open to give answers to your question. So for that you need to keep going. Like if one person says sorry I can't do, go to next one, but continue until you get approximately 500 to 1000 data offline, and then online you can make Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, and you can circulate it and collect data. So yeah, you can do that. You can do observational research as well, like just like I do. Like whenever I go to a marketplace or my office, I see the behavior of the employees and the customers, like how they are behaving and all. So yeah, this and some of the experiments which I do, like I not reveal that I am doing a startup. I go to them like a research fellow, like who is taking data for his research paper. So yeah, like that I go and I see the behavior. I see like how the people are reacting, like when they see a new chips brand. I casually ask them out of curiosity and they answer it. So yeah, if you can win the trust of the people, you can be slow, open and casual. Yeah, that works like in the data collection process. So that's it for today. So yeah, thank you, bye. More coming, so be in touch.